Hey, welcome back to 59 Plus Size Beauty. It's me, Joyce, and I'm coming to review DaNessa Myricks Yummy Skin Tint. Y'all, I bought this, I want to say, around 2 weeks ago, and it's been the only skin tint that I have used as foundation for over 2 weeks. I've put it in my videos with me doing my makeup. I'm number 12. And when I first looked at this little part, I was like, I don't know if that's going to match me. But it did. And as you can see, I have it on now. Now, let me let y'all know, I live in Texas. And it's hot. It's hell hot here. So, I've worn it out while I was gigging. I would do my makeup, film for you all, and then, you know, I don't have time to take it off. So I go outside, I go outside, do my gigging, and my face, by the time I get home, my face has not melted off. That's because, number one, I set it real good. And number two, it's a skin tint, and it's giving me that glow from the inside, but it's still staying there. It's not, I'm not rubbing off, it's not sliding off. So this is going to be, I told you I was looking for an actual skin tint for the summer. This is going to be my skin tint for the summer. And so let me give you a little bit of information about it. So if you go on Sephora, and that's where I ordered mine from, first of all, it's $36. I'm going to say it's affordable. It's not cheap. I'm going to say it's still affordable. It's in between high end and low end. So it's mid. All right. And so, like I said, mine's is number 12. So the coverage is light. And the finish radiant, as you can see. Liquid, as you can see as well. You can pair this with a lot of different primers. But you know, I've been using the e.l.f. Skin Sun Touchable. And it has SPF in it because I got sunburned one time early, about 2 weeks ago. Had a little knot on the nose and everything. So this is what I've been using as far as SPF. But it goes well with this. I don't have a problem. This is an affordable sunscreen. So I've been pairing the two together when I do my makeup, and you'll see that in some of my videos. But I just want to come give her 10s and let y'all know, if you're in market for a skin tint, I would choose the Yummy Skin. Now, there's some other ones I'm looking at, but she performs very well. I really like her. So go over. I will put a link down in the description box and also a link in the comment section for you to pick her up. I give her 10s across the board. All right, thanks for watching.